Welcome to today's pore cleaning session. Our lovely client came in with a common issue, stubborn blackheads on the nose and cheeks, but don't worry, everything's handled gently and professionally by our skincare doctor. We start by thoroughly cleansing making sure the pores are ready for a smooth and safe extraction. Now we're focusing on the nose area, one of the most common spots for blackheads to hide. Look at that. One by one, those little clogged pores are cleared out. So satisfying to watch, right? There's just something so relaxing about seeing clean, healthy skin emerge from under all those impurities. After the extraction, we apply a calming treatment to reduce redness and soothe the skin. The result: fresh, smooth, glowing skin. It feels as good as it looks. It's not just about beauty, it's about skin health. Clean pores equal sign happy skin. If you enjoy watching skincare transformations like this, don't forget to follow for more satisfying sessions ahead.